Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 69 Mercury Cougar. They have hideaway headlights. And they added hood pins, and I'm sure this hood scoop was added too. But gives it a little meaner look. Cougars was more of a luxury coupe, so they're making it a little tougher. I mean, some of them had big motors. This has a 302, it's rebuilt, runs very good. Interior's been done. I'd say all at one time. Don't have any documentation or anything, but it looks like new carpet, seat covers, dash, door panel. But the body, not a lot of flaws to show you. It's a decent paint job. I'd say above average driver quality paint job on it. So it's got a good shine to it. So you can see my reflection here in the video. So if you're looking for an affordable Cougar, this one's a pretty nice car to go and cruise, show and shines. You could put it in a show if you wanted to, a smaller show, you'd probably do okay. So decent car, good looking, good running car. We're gonna start up our 69 Cougar. Rebuilt 302 in it. Fan works. Horn does not work. There you can see an after-mile temp gauge. Wipers work. Let's see if the stereo. Oh, stereo must just be filling a hole. See if the vacuum controlled doors work on it. This was an air car. It doesn't have the air anymore. And we gotta do some work on the doors. Pretty common on these. People skip that. It's got vacuum to it still, just doesn't open it. So we'll have to take a look at that. Pretty good sounding engine. No power steering, but it has power brakes. See, the headlights work. Just the doors aren't. There's your tail light. And the blinker actually works. See that blinker. So, a couple little things to do to it. But pretty cool car. We're out driving our 69 Cougar. Definitely got some kind of loud exhaust, so not my preference, but some people love it that way. But it does have a nice little rumble to it. We got to do a little work on the cluster. Absolutely nothing working there right now. So in this current video, you'll see that nothing's working. Temp gauge, has a working temp gauge down there. On the road pretty good. A little play in the steering wheel and it's off just a touch. So just got it in. Hasn't even been through the shop yet. So but does drive nice actually. I'm driving with a couple fingers. And no power steering, so power brakes, rebuilt 302 automatic, new paint. Paint's pretty decent, above average, driver quality type paint, but and we also got to do a little work on the headlights and then the indicators. Like I said, got to work on that whole cluster. I don't know what's all, if it ain't hooked up or what it is, but questions, 605-695-73